Hi, my name is Matt. I'm a nurse practitioner and clinical educator here at Ekanos. I'm going to show you how to use continuous wave Doppler with the Kosmos Torso 1 probe. CW Doppler is used for obtaining high-velocity blood flow measurements during cardiac scanning. Select the heart preset from your home screen. In this case, we are going to acquire the apical 4-chamber view and interrogate the mitral valve. First, select CW Doppler. Next, position your CW Doppler cursor identified as a diamond inside the dotted circle. Place this exactly where you need it. Select Update to activate CW Doppler. Adjust the baseline by tapping it and sliding up or down as needed. Want to see both the B-mode image and Doppler at the same time? Tap the Live B or CW button. This gives you a split screen view. The frozen B-mode image stays up top while the live Doppler continues below. To get the clearest possible signal, you have several fine-tuning controls available in the left menu. You can adjust the scale to capture different velocity ranges, adjust the wall filter to reduce noise, change the audio level, modify sweep speed, and invert the waveform if needed. Once you have an optimal waveform, freeze the image to take your measurements. To save your measurement, simply tap the camera icon in the bottom left corner. If you choose to store a video from a live Doppler trace, your saved clips will include any audio signals you've recorded during scanning. I want to point out that Kosmos is the only ultrasound system in its class with CW Doppler capabilities, and it is one of the many things that makes Kosmos a perfect blend of cart-based performance and handheld flexibility and affordability. Find additional information in the Kosmos user guide at ekanos.com or reach out to your local Kosmos representative. We are here to help.